If Outlook is giving you an error when downloading attachments, don't worry. This is usually a browser issue and it can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to fix the problem by clearing your browser cache and cookies, and if needed, try in a few extra quick fixes as well. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech fixes and software tutorials. Now, let's get straight into it. First, open the browser that you normally use to access Outlook. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or another browser. Since Outlook in a browser can sometimes run into temporary loading problems, the first thing we want to do is clear out old stored data that may be causing the attachment error. To do that, click the Settings menu in your browser. In most browsers, this is the 3 dots, 3 lines, or a gear icon in the top corner. Once the menu opens, look for an option called Delete Browsing Data, Clear Browsing Data, or something very similar. Different browsers use slightly different wording, but the goal is the same. When the browsing data window appears, make sure you check the boxes for cookies and cached images and files. These are the files that can sometimes get corrupted or outdated and stop attachments from downloading properly. If you see an option to choose the time range, select All Time if you want the most complete cleanup, or choose a recent time range if you only want to remove newer data. After that, click the button to clear or delete the data. Once the process is finished, close the browser completely and open it again. Then go back to Outlook and try downloading the attachment one more time. In many cases, that alone will fix the problem. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to try is opening Outlook in Incognito Mode or Private Browsing Mode. This gives you a fresh session without old cache, cookies, or stored site data getting in the way. To do this, open a private window from your browser menu, sign back into Outlook, and test the attachment download again. If it works in Incognito Mode, that's a strong sign the issue is being caused by browser data or an extension. Another helpful step is disabling browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security add-ons, can interfere with how Outlook handles downloads. Go to your browser's extensions page, turn them off one by one, and then test Outlook again. If the attachment downloads normally after disabling an extension, you found the cause. At that point, you can keep that extension off for Outlook or adjust its settings. If you're still having trouble, try using a different browser altogether. For example, if the issue happens in Chrome, open Outlook in Edge or Firefox and see whether the attachment downloads correctly there. This can help you quickly confirm whether the problem is with the browser itself rather than Outlook. In most situations, though, clearing cookies and cache is the main fix that solves this issue. It removes old or damaged browser data that may be blocking the attachment from loading or downloading properly. So if you remember just one thing from this video, make it this. Open your browser settings, find Delete Browsing Data, check cookies and cache, clear them, restart the browser, and try Outlook again. If the problem continues, use Incognito Mode, disable extensions, or switch browsers to isolate the cause. I hope this guide helped you fix the Outlook attachment download error. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.